Playboy and Doc and Sharp are across the river here, and they're walking this bear along. I just turned Playboy in. I don't know if he's going to get across the river or not, but anyway, they just came through that opening right up in there. Playboy got in there, he got across the river and got to Sharp, and I'm on the other side of the river from him. I'm looking across, I can see the bear sitting in a tree. They put him in a tree right there. There's no possible way I'm going to get across this river. No possible way. The only thing I can do is try to call them dogs across this river to me off of that tree. Almost impossible. Sharp! Playboy! Doc! Come on, Playboy! Playboy! Get over here! Sharp! Here comes Sharp. Playboy! Doc! Doc! Playboy! Doc, come on, buddy! Doc, come on! That pup ain't even 2 years old. He's about 17 months old. Good boy, Sharp. Good boy, buddy. Playboy! Come on, bud! That boy, come on! Playboy, come on! Playboy! Playboy! Here comes Doc through the brush to me. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Doc. Good boy. Come on. Atta boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on, buddy! Boy, Playboy. Good boy. Load up. Get up there. Get up there, Sharp. Get up there, Playboy. Get up there, Doc. Get up there, Sharp. Sharp, get up here. Come on. Sharp, get up there. Get up there. Atta boy.